In this video, I want to show you a new scrapbooking idea with, some pictures and how you can implement them into your layout. I'm using the Ex Libris Galaxias collection from Tracy Reed for this layout, and I really love it because it has so many different papers which are completely gorgeous. But what I'm doing now is I use a hole puncher, and I'm creating a little pocket, and with the pocket I add some pictures into it, and then you can put it out again and just have different pictures in your traveler's notebook. And I really like the idea. I might have better added a bigger hole, but I really like how it turned out. So now you can pull it out again and have a picture somewhere. And now I'm just going to decorate this traveler's notebook page with different elements. I have created a traveler's notebook just with a few rings and a lot of different papers and chipboard. And if you are interested in that and want to see that, have a look at the other video on my channel, and I'm showing you step by step how to do that. Yeah, and now it's just about adding different elements and papers and paper stripes to the page here. And you see I'm using strong glue, and I'm just trying what different elements I can use, but you can always choose something else if you're interested in that. And never forget to add your journaling to your pages. I personally totally enjoy the journaling, because when I look at this layout in a year from now, I most probably don't know anymore what this is about. And for me, it's just about the perfect Sunday right now. Right now, I totally enjoy Sundays, staying at home and just reading, having fun, scrapbooking, or watching a criminal story, something like that, something crazy, or binge watching a series on TV, whatever. And that is for me right now perfect Sunday. You never know what you think about this in a year from now, so it's always a good idea to document that and add it to your journal. And the good thing about such a journal is that you can always increase it. So right now it's about these books and binge watching and what I do on a Sunday, but I believe that in a few months from now it's completely different, because right now we are in the pandemic and we can't do much other than that, but soon everything will be open again, and I guess then we will go to the sauna again or somewhere and have maybe a walk. We are now having a walk as well, but it's winter, so it's pretty cold outside, and most likely I'm not going out that much as I could. So yeah, it's different right now, but I want to remember that, and that is why I'm scrapbooking with this. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and maybe hit the like button, and then I see you again in the next video. Until then, bye!